Let's move to the Unstoppable Domains website. First of all, we need to log in. Here we have more options. Sign up with an email address, log in with a Google account, or connect crypto wallet. I choose the latest and connect with my MetaMask. I type the name I want to buy from the website's main page and check the ending options. I would use a dot wallet. Let's proceed to the checkout. We need to confirm that I don't live in USA. Here we have several payment options. I choose Ethereum. Alright, we sent a transaction. Let's wait for a bit while Unstoppable Domains will get the transfer. It may take a few minutes. Alright, we have registered the name within the service, but we still need to mint an NFT. Otherwise, we change one centralized service for purchasing domain names to another. Here we can read terms and conditions about something about the process of minting an NFT. But the process itself of minting is easy. We mint the NFT for our domain on Polygon in a few clicks for free, but actually the service covers the gas fee. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a like and hit the subscribe button. Tell me in the comments what services do you want me to compare next. So that's all for now. See you on Web3. Bye.